Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, October the 18th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So two puzzles are left: Jigsaw Sudoku and a binary. It's a binary time, and this one will be number 9456. 9456. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 17 printed digits. That's a lot for a binary puzzle. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Here no, there no. Double ones. Here no, there no. Double ones. Here no, there no. Now the double O's. Here one, there one. Double O's. Here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O's. Here one, there one. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the first column. So the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O's. Here one, there one. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O's. Here one, there one. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double ones. Here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O's. Here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. And between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct in 2 minutes. Wow. We solve it again without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve myself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you in a minute with the other puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.